Get some power. We're on electric mode right now. We need to switch to some power. Wonder working power. Engage. Yeah. You know, poverty is a mindset, right? And if you don't attack it the right way, man, you will end up giving in to it. You gotta stand up and fight for your life and what you believe in. Man, I grew up with holes in my shoes, walking to school every day, and surely didn't have food to eat. And if I can make it with the odds against me, look, you can do the same. I made a promise to myself, and listen, you gotta do the same, to never go back to being poor. Poor in mind, poor in finances, poor in family, poor in your confidence. You gotta know who you are and know you are greatness. There's nothing you can't do. Anything is possible. Not one person connected to you will ever lack for anything. You gotta put that in the atmosphere with the plan, your faith, and your perseverance. And man, look, you'll be successful, my friend. That's a promise. I'm still tripping right now, the fact that we are at Land Rover Jaguar Richmond on the simple fact that I put hashtag Richmond and a smart salesperson found the hashtag Richmond, hit us up. We happen to be in the same area. Just happen to be in the same area, man. We came through. DeAndre, a good dude, man. Ain't that crazy how it happened?
Yeah, and also business owners. Take Instagram and social media serious. Take it serious. He felt us. He's trying to sell a car. I mean, come on, man. Connect the dots. Connect the dots.
Connect the dots. And then my homeboy J-Rock, man, you said earlier he was talking about...
He want a Range.
Talking about the Range Rover earlier. Before we even established a connection, he was talking about the Range Rover. Now, they actually over there having a good, serious conversation about, getting a Range Rover. Yeah. Look how it all works together, man. That's crazy, bro. Man, DeAndre, I appreciate you, bro. We're going to be doing some stuff, man, with DeAndre, man. DeAndre going to be moving some cars up out of here. Watch what I say. Hey, man, you done connected with me. I'm a firm believer, man. Anybody I'm connected to going to win. You going to win, bro. Appreciate y'all, man. Yes, sir. We're going to head on up out of here, man. Grab us something to eat.
Yeah, that's one.
That's a good price.
Up the street or down the street.
That Jaguar tough. That sports joint right there.
Sure,
that little short back on it too. Yeah.
Remind me of the Aston.
Yeah, it does, man. Give you the Aston vibe, man. Oh yeah. So you said it's a Panera?
Yeah, over there.
Oh, I can see it.
Where you see it?
It's beside it. It's right there.
Oh, you see, I'm so short, man. I can't even.
Oh no. I mean, come on.
Oh no, I see.
You can see it. Exactly. You exaggerating now. Come on now. Come on now. We about an inch height difference, man.
Yeah, all right.
You know what I'm saying? We in the same ballpark.
Oh man.
But what's crazy, man, when I pull up on like cats that like play ball and stuff, I be feeling so short, man. I'm 6 feet tall.
Right.
I be like, dang, them jokers is tall.
Yeah, like 6'8", 6'9".
6'8", 6'9".
Yeah.
Man, that's a tall joker right there. 6'8", 6'9", man, made me feel like okay. I still hold my own though.
Right.
You know what I'm saying?
Right.
Yeah. So let's go. We probably gonna have to go down and back up.
Okay.
I don't think you can go straight across right there. That look too dangerous. Yeah. All right, so we're gonna go up, back, and around, and hit Panera, and see what we're gonna do from there. I should have plugged up while I was here. You know what I'm saying? Yes, sir. It's your main man, Evapors, and y'all know what we do around here. We swipe up.
It's been love.
Man.
It's been love all day.
This been crazy, man.
We meet some good folks today, right?
Man, we meet some good people today, man. This is crazy. This is crazy. We had the official car wash of Car Talk TV when in Richmond, Virginia, man, we go to Miller's Auto Care Center.
All the time.
Mm-hmm.
All the time.
I'm gonna go over here and mess with. I'm gonna say, who's Miller? At Miller's. Yes, sir.
Still in about an hour.
About an hour?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, we're gonna have lunch.
Who's give y'all time?
Excuse me?
That give y'all time?
Oh, that's plenty of time. Who's Miller of Miller's?
That's Mr. Miller.
Hold on. Who's Miller of Miller's Auto?
I'm Randy Miller, sir.
You're Randy Miller?
Randy Miller.
Okay.
This is my place all the way down to the light, all the way to Land Rover.
You ain't
9 acres here.
You ain't had to stun on us like that.
Huh?
You didn't have to brag on us like that.
You're good people, man.
Yes, sir. We love you, man.
About an hour, hour and a half?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
All right. Mr. Miller, the owner and proprietor, he owned all this land over here. All this land, he owned it. Yes, sir. The official car wash of Car Talk TV, man. Miller's Auto Care Center. We establishing connections, man, organically. You understand?
On the fly.
On the fly, man.
I said,
bro,
it's a car wash right there. Because DeAndre called up one of his folks.
Yeah.
And his folks was like, man, you know, he ain't washing.
Yeah.
I was like, all right, cool. Let's just go ahead across the street. Let's go get some food.
Yeah, yeah.
We riding literally next door. I see hand wash. I'm like, whoa. Let's go over there and see if they got the hand wash. And literally, man, he about to get us right.
Yeah, man. Hopefully we can cut across. If not, I'll just, you know.
Go down and come in.
No, yeah. No. Go ahead. Don't. I don't wanna. Yeah. Let me see. I ain't trying to get jammed up. We might better get through.
Yeah, exactly.
Appreciate you, lady. Man, we in the I-8.
Spaceship.
We in the spaceship. Y'all better take a picture. Y'all better take a picture.
Hold on. Let me get the photo.
You better take a picture.
We better take a picture.
Matter of fact, let me do that too. All right, y'all. We back over here at Miller's, the official car wash of Car Talk TV. Now we want to see if that Bentley clean. I want to see if that Bentley clean. Oh, it's clean. Mr. Miller, you showed out. Mr. Miller, you showed all the way out, Mr. Miller. The Bent is clean. Look at the Bent. The Bentley is clean, y'all. Ooh, I can see my breath. It's cold out here. Man, the Bent clean. We out here, Miller's Auto Care Center. Yes, sir. Oh, they did the thing on this car, man. They did the thing. They did it. They cleaned it all the way up. They cleaned it all the way up, man. Man, I just seen this Tesla ride by. Now, I can't prove it. She was looking down the whole time, man. Are these things already driving full autonomous right now? I thought that was going to come later. It make you want to get one. I'm not going to lie to you. If that thing driving full autonomous right now, or at least, you know, helping out a whole lot, man, somebody let me know. I think it was a Model 3, a new joint, man. I just need to know, man. I might get me a Tesla. Real talk. My wife been talking about Tesla, man, and I just saw that lady. She was looking down the whole time, like she didn't look up. We was at a stoplight. She never looked up, and you know the car is obviously moving, and you know she passed me, and I'm like, hold on, she never looked up. Somebody let me know, are these cars fully autonomous already, or is that coming later?
We about to meet up with some folks.
Yes, sir.
We about to meet up with some folks that got some big toys.
Hey,
Richmond, VA.
Let's go.
Don't miss it.
Y'all see the Bent when the Bent pull up?
Yo, Big B out here, man.
Hey, Big B. Oh, Lord, somebody behind you. Let's get it.
It's all good.
I see you, brother. These roads. Let's get some power. We're on electric mode right now. We need to switch to some power. Wonder working power. Engage. Yeah. Heck yeah. Why not me? Why not you? You know what I'm saying? Why not me? Why not you, man? Man, we're gonna live this life to the fullest, man. Yeah, we know what's going on in the world today. We're gonna live life. We're gonna have fun. We're gonna enjoy it. And we're gonna thrive. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna thrive. We're not gonna just live, we're gonna thrive. Yeah, man, a lot of people are just living, man. A lot of people are just living. And I'm glad to be amongst the land of the living. But we have to thrive in this life, man. We got to fight through adversity. It's going to come. It's going to be there. Trust me. I deal with it. You deal with it. We all deal with it, man. Don't let them pictures on social media fool you now. They dealing with it too. You know what I'm saying? They just dealing with it with a little bit of airbrush and a little bit of Photoshop. You know what I'm saying? You just don't use airbrush and you don't use Photoshop. So your stuff look like, man, I got all kind of stuff going on. But they airbrushing and photoshopping and filtering things out of their life, and we see the perfectness. Is that a word? It is now. But yeah, we going through stuff, man. We're gonna put a smile on our face, man. We're gonna stay pumped up. We're gonna bring our families together. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna have fun. We're gonna do it. And anytime we feel somebody getting weak, we're gonna be there to make them strong, man. Cause trust me, we all gonna get weak sometimes, man. You feel your family member getting weak, man. Hey, call them, text them, put your arms around them. They'll be all right. They'll be all right, man. We thriving. We not just living. Alright, y'all, we are at the waterfront, one of the waterfronts in Richmond, man. You know they got a whole bunch, man. In case you didn't know, they do. We in the I-8. We in the Bent. Carshow Rell.
Big B's, money, cars, motivation.
Yes, sir.
Cars, y'all see it, man.
Y'all see it, man. Out here with my boy Carshow Rell, man. Who would have thought?
Yo, man, look at the city.
Oh, look at the city, man.
Right there.
Oh yeah, yeah. We're gonna get some good angle shots, man.
For sure.
Let's get this door up, man. Carshow Rell flavorful out this joint, man. Y'all see him, man. Don't let Carshow Rell fool you, man. That cool, quiet joint, man.
Man, I'll be chilling,
Come on, man. Don't let that.
I don't do too much, man. I'll be chilling.
Yeah, that quiet stuff, I like it, but it's all good.
And how you feeling? How are you feeling?
Man, I feel good, man. It's just like one of those things where I already know you, but I'm meeting you in person for the first time, man. So it's kind of like surreal. Like, okay, I met my boy.
Yeah.
I already know him, but I just meet you in person. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
Like, yo, it's just pretty cool, man. To say the least, man.
For sure. Appreciate you, man.
The beginning of a long life, business, money, family. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna get the families together.
Yep.
Do a lot of fun stuff, man. Just live our life, man.
Back and forth. Come up Maryland. I'm gonna come down to NC.
Maryland, NC,
Richmond,
meet in the middle. You know what I'm
Dallas.
saying?
We everywhere.
Oh
This
yeah,
shit.
Dallas. Don't forget about that, man.
We
Dallas.
coming heavy Dallas.
Oh, we going heavy Dallas.
Coming
man.
heavy Dallas. God, let me say this. God willing.
God willing.
Let me put that in there because anything could happen.
Yeah, Lord willing, man. We'll be in Dallas,
Yeah,
man.
we'll be in Dallas, man.
April 9th and 10th.
That's gonna be a fun one.
Yeah, I think so.
What's the address to the spot?
I usually drop a pin. You know when you
He might got a whatchamacallit.
Android.
I'm not sure
So
what he got.
I do locational thing, and it'll tell me like what's what's close by.
All right, I'm gonna put bond on you so we can grab to it. Where J-Rod go?
Oh, I'm just gonna get the address.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Oh, you on speakerphone? It's called Boathouse. What's the address? Yeah, right there. You are like send location on Waze. send this to you. CAR. I'm gonna send this to you. Carshow Rell. That's the address we just sent. Yeah, man, it's crazy, bro. We are out here in Richmond. That sun is warming it up a little bit though, cause it's so chilly out here. But I'm prepared for it, cause under here, I got my Long John, I got my Black Panther long sleeve John on, and I got Long John pants on under here. You know what I'm saying? So I'm strictly warm from the inside, man. The Karate Man brews on the inside, so you won't get this.